Hello boys and girls, welcome to CCH English. Today we are going to talk about definite and indefinite articles. So what is definite and indefinite articles? Okay, well, a and an are indefinite articles, very easy. Okay, we'll use a or an before a singular countable noun. Singular countable noun. What are they? For example, Mr. Lui has a son. Mr. Lui has a son. And Mr. Yip sings for an hour every day. An hour every day. Okay, son, hour, they are singular and also they can be counted. Okay, like one son, two sons, three sons, 1 hour, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay, singular, countable. So we use a and an for definite noun articles. And we also use a or an when we first talk about a person, an object, or a place that we have not mentioned before. For example, Mr. Lei has a class of very interesting students. Miss Wu made an egg tart for her daughter last night. So please remember that we'll use a before nouns that start with a consonant sound. Okay, we use an for nouns that start with a vowel sound. What does it mean by consonant and vowel? Okay, just remember vowel, like A, E, I, O, U, usually are the vowel sounds. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples. Okay, now we use a menu because m is a consonant. A pineapple bun because p is a consonant, but an ice cream because this is a vowel. An egg tart, okay, an egg tart. So think about 3 questions. Do we say a hour or an hour? Do we say a university or an university? Do we say a umbrella or an umbrella? Oh, this is a typo, sorry, it's an umbrella. Okay, I give you 5 seconds. Think about it. I'll tell you the answer later on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. Oh, so that's why it should be a university, an hour. Okay, a university, an hour, an umbrella. Okay, because we use an before a word that begins with the vowel sound. Okay, it's the sound, it's not just A, E, I, O, U, but the sound that counts. Okay, do you understand this? Alright, so the is the definite article, the, the. Okay, so we use the to talk about a specific thing or a specific person. Specific thing or person. For example, well, the view at the peak is stunning. The view at the peak is stunning. It's not all the views in the world or in Hong Kong, but that view at the peak, okay, that particular view is beautiful. All right, the chef at Aberdeen Cafe cooks really well. The chef, not all the chefs, but that chef at Aberdeen Cafe. Okay, so that's why we call it definite article. And also we use the to talk about someone or something that we have already mentioned. Okay, already mentioned. For example, Mr. Lei has a class of very interesting students. The class is always full of surprise. The class. Because I have talked about a class. Okay, so we can, for a second time, we can use the, the. And also, Miss Wu made an egg tart for her daughter last night. The egg tart was very yummy, and her daughter liked it very much. The egg tart, okay, because egg tart is mentioned before, so the second time we can use the egg tart. Okay. Besides, we can also use the to talk about something that is the only one of its kind, the only one. For example, The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. The moon goes around the earth. Okay, because there's only one sun, one moon, and one earth. So we say the sun, the moon, and the earth. All right, so that's the end for the presentation. Okay, so if you still have any questions about definite and indefinite articles, do ask your English teacher and try more exercise. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.